Welcome back to Simplified Reads, the channel where we turn big ideas into simple, engaging conversations. In today's episode, we're diving into 10 books that explore philosophy in an easy way, all published in 2024 to 2025. If you've ever been curious about philosophy but found it too dense or academic, these new releases make the subject more accessible, practical, and thought-provoking. From understanding how to live well to exploring the moral circle of humanity and even questioning the nature of reality itself, these books bring wisdom to everyday readers without the jargon. Let's break them down clearly, calmly, and with connection. The journey begins with the philosophy book, Big Ideas Simply Explained by D.K., a beautifully illustrated guide that turns centuries of philosophical thought into clear, visual explanations. This book is perfect for beginners because it transforms complex theories into digestible overviews, covering everything from Aristotle and Descartes to modern existentialism. The layout is visually engaging, with infographics, timelines, and accessible summaries that make learning philosophy feel effortless. However, its simplicity is both a strength and a limitation. It introduces ideas without exploring them deeply, so it's best treated as a starting map rather than a full journey. To get the most from it, use it to find the philosophers or ideas that resonate most with you, then follow up with more focused texts. You can find it on Amazon or Book Depository for around $30, about KSH 4,000 to 5,000, though shipping may vary depending on location. For those who prefer even shorter summaries, Western Philosophers in 10 Sentences by Dinko Tanev is a clever entry point. Each major thinker is explained in precisely 10 sentences, making it easy to absorb their core ideas in minutes. This format is brilliant for readers who want fast insights without being bogged down by terminology. Still, its conciseness means it can oversimplify or miss the nuances that make each philosopher unique. Think of it as a teaser trailer. It gives you just enough to spark curiosity. The best way to use this book is to pair it with short online lectures or summaries afterward to fill in the gaps. It's available in ebook form on platforms like Lulu or Kobo for as little as $5. 10. A low-cost way to jumpstart your philosophical curiosity. If you're drawn to questions about ethics and morality, The Moral Circle, Who Matters, What Matters, and Why by Jeff Sebo is both accessible and relevant. It explores how we extend moral concern beyond ourselves to animals, the environment, and even artificial intelligence. Sebo's clarity and real-world examples make difficult ethical debates understandable and urgent. It's an excellent choice if you want to think about how philosophy shapes decisions in modern life. However, some discussions, especially about consciousness, can feel abstract, so take your time and reflect as you go. The best approach is to pause after each chapter and ask yourself, what does this mean for my everyday moral choices? It's available in hardcover for about $24, KSH 3,500 to 4,500 on major platforms like Amazon. Next is Open Socrates, The Case for a Philosophical Life by Agnes Collard, a deep yet readable reimagining of how to live philosophically in today's world. It encourages questioning everything, much like Socrates did, and ties ancient reflection to modern dilemmas: love, ethics, and meaning. This book is perfect for readers seeking not just information, but transformation. Its greatest strength is that it invites you to become a philosopher in your own life. However, it demands patience and honesty. It's not a quick read, and those seeking entertainment may find it slow. To make it worthwhile, treat it as a conversation. Take notes, ask yourself hard questions, and allow your thoughts to evolve. Priced around £25, KSH 5,000 to 8,000. It's available through Penguin UK and other global sellers. For readers who prefer philosophy grounded in social realities, Indian Philosophy, Indian Revolution, On Caste and Politics by Divya Dwivedi and Shaj Mohan provides a bold, decolonial lens. It connects ancient Indian thought to present-day questions of justice, freedom, and inequality. The book challenges Western philosophical dominance and offers fresh insight into how philosophy can drive real-world change. However, it can be challenging without some background in Indian society or political theory. So reading short summaries or watching explainer videos first will help. It's best to read slowly and reflect on how its arguments relate to broader global issues. You can find it through Hearst Publishers for about £25, KSH 8,000 to 15,000, including shipping. Bose CO's Good Arguments. How Debate Teaches Us to Listen and Be Heard takes philosophy into the realm of daily communication. It's a masterclass in clear thinking and respectful disagreement, core elements of philosophical dialogue, with stories from CO's debating experience. It makes the art of reasoning deeply relatable. This is the kind of book that quietly improves how you think, argue, and listen. While not strictly philosophical in content, it's perfect for applying philosophical principles to everyday life. To make the most of it, try practicing the debate techniques it offers in real conversations. The paperback edition sells for about $15, $20, KSH 2,000 to 4,000 from Penguin Random House. Shifting from human discussion to cosmic wonder, Jeremy Butterfield's The Multiverse. A philosophical introduction explores one of today's most mind-bending ideas, whether multiple universes might exist and what that means for reality and knowledge. It's an ideal read if you love science but want to think philosophically about what it means. The explanations are clear, but some sections can get technical, so curiosity and patience are key. To get the most out of it, keep a notebook and jot down questions. It's the kind of book that deepens with reflection. It's priced at about $59.99 for paperback and can be ordered from academic publishers or university bookstores. Finally, The Seeker and the Sage by Bridget DeLay. Set for release in 2025, wraps philosophy in story. It blends narrative and reflection to ask timeless questions about meaning, purpose, and human condition. It's ideal for readers who prefer learning through storytelling rather than abstract reading. Its beauty lies in how it makes philosophical reflection emotional and personal. Yet, because it prioritizes story over structure, some may find it light on emphasis. The best way to approach it is to read reflectively, pause between stories, note what resonates, and relate it to your own experiences. It's expected to cost about $20, $30, KSH 3,000 to 6,000 once available globally. Together, these books show that philosophy doesn't have to be intimidating. It can be visual, conversational, ethical, and even emotional. Whether you want to understand yourself better, sharpen your reasoning, or simply see the world in a new light, each title offers a different door